Hi everybody. I want to show you this conference speaker that I just got. I think it's really good if you are giving presentations, if you want to use it as your speaker for when you're in a Zoom meeting, or again, if you are in a conference room that, a lot of people have problems listening to someone who is further away on the table or something like that. So it comes in this box, and when you open it up, the speaker comes right here, which I already took out, but it comes out right here, and it comes with the plugs, the Ethernet cable, it comes with USB to connect it, and the power to it. Now, what makes this one unique is that it comes already with a system or an upgrade on the system where it takes all the echo or reverberation that you may get from a conference room, just because sometimes the rooms are as big and you get a lot of echo from the walls. This one already takes care of that, or any reverberation, any problems that you normally have when there is a large room.
OpenAI unveiled ChatGPT-4, which the company says is capable of performing well on a range of standardized tests.
Also, because on a large room, some people may not be able to hear or speak, you can have up to 4 of them connected to each other. So again, it's just a USB, you plug and play basically. You just attach one to the other and to the other, and you can have them as far or as many as you want, and the quality does not get affected. Also, you get to talk and listen at the same time. So I can be talking, the other person on the other side maybe want to interrupt or talking at the same time. It will allow you to speak at the same time and listen with no problem.
Michelle Yeoh makes history with Best Actress Oscar win.
And you can use it on conference, or you can use it as your speaker when you're in a Zoom meeting. The quality is very clear, the sound is very clear, and it is very simple to use. Again, it's just cable up here to, if you're going to connect it directly to the computer, USB, Ethernet, and power. And again, it has the rubber mount, so you can mount it right there, and it doesn't move unless obviously, but it's not moving easily. And the fact that you can mute it and you can speak, so you can take the calls, you can hang up, you can put it on hold, you can do all of that with this, and it's really nice. I like it a lot. I've done a lot of work in conference rooms where someone is far away and they're like, they can't hear you, or they have to come to the side of the speaker to be able to hear. Having a few of this together works really well, and there's nothing bad that I can say about this. I've already tested it. My wife took it actually for work, and because I work from home, so I don't have conference, but she does, and she said the quality was really good. And so, yeah, I mean, you can't say anything about the look. It's slick and it's very professional looking, modern. So I hope that you guys find it as useful and as high quality as my wife and I has found it.